Welcome to your Create with Pinky, your magical corner for all things art, craft, and DIY. This Christmas season, let's dive into a world of creativity. Today, we are bringing to life a whimsical Christmas tree and house, a sparkling origami star, and heartwarming Christmas greeting cards, each with its own unique story to tell. Ready to craft some holiday magic? Let's get started. The Misfit Elf and the Crafty Christmas Rescue. Once upon a time in Santa's workshop, there was a little elf named Snippy. Now, Snippy wasn't like the other elves. While everyone else was busy assembling toys and wrapping presents, Snippy had a quirky hobby, making quirky crafts from leftover wrapping paper, candy canes, and glitter. One day, Santa announced, "The Christmas tree in the North Pole Square is missing decorations. We need all hands on deck to fix this." All the elves grabbed shiny baubles and garlands, except Snippy, who only had his bag of craft supplies. Determined to help, Snippy started creating DIY decorations, paper snowflakes, glittery stars, and candy cane reindeers. At first, the other elves laughed, "Snippy, this isn't the time for your weird crafts." But when the wind blew away the traditional ornaments, only Snippy's handmade one stayed on the tree. Santa declared, "Snippy's crafts saved Christmas." From that day on, Snippy became the official Christmas craft elf. Just like Snippy, we can make something magical with simple items at home. Let's get started on some fun Christmas DIYs. The magical Christmas house. Once upon a Christmas Eve, a tiny paper Christmas house stood quietly on the table. But this wasn't an ordinary house, it had a secret. Every time someone complimented it, the lights inside flickered as if it was saying, "Thank you." One night, as the family went to sleep, the house whispered to the ornaments nearby, "I wish I could join the real snow outside." The paper snowflakes on the tree replied, "You're already a star in here." The next morning, the kids found the house covered in real snow, made of cotton balls. They laughed and decided it was the most magical house ever, promising to keep it every Christmas. origami star. In the cozy corner of the crafting table lived an origami star named Twinkle. Twinkle loved being shiny and bright but had one wish: to be on top of the Christmas tree. One day, a mischievous cat jumped onto the table and knocked Twinkle into a box of ornaments. "This is my chance," Twinkle thought. The kids found the star and placed it right at the top of the tree. That night, Twinkle sparkled brighter than ever before, and the cat looked up with an "Oops, I helped" face. Twinkle beamed down, silently thanking the cat for the accidental push.
Of a Christmas greeting card. It all started when a blank card was sitting in a drawer, dreaming of becoming a Christmas greeting card. A little girl found it and said, "I will make you the best card ever." She drew a funny reindeer, glued some glitter, and wrote, "Dear Santa, please send more glitter." The card laughed to itself, thinking, "At least I am festive now." On Christmas Day, the family found the card in their mailbox with Santa's reply, "Dear Glitter Fan, you are on the nice list." The card felt proud, knowing it spread smiles and a sprinkle of Christmas magic. Thank you for joining me in crafting these beautiful Christmas wonders. From the magical house to the wishful star and the journey of our greeting card, we have added a sprinkle of joy to the season. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative adventures. Wishing you a Merry Christmas filled with love, laughter, and lots of do-it-yourself magic. See you in the next video.